was shocked to see this fruit growing from my potato vines. So I did some research and found out a few things. Seeing small, green, cherry tomato looking fruit from your potato leaves is a rare occurrence because the environment and conditions has to be just right for this to happen. This year's cooler and more rainy June was responsible. Potato flowers and fruit are produced because this is how the plants multiply themselves, by seed. Potato flowers look very much like tomato flowers, except instead of being yellow, the potato flowers can be a white or lavender or pink. It depends on the type of potatoes to the flower color. Those cute little flowers fall off the plant and never have the opportunity to go from flower to fruit. The cooler weather with adequate rain allowed the flowers to remain, pollinate, and grow into small potato fruit. These potato fruit are poisonous. They contain high amounts of solanine that can make you very sick. Solanine is also found in potatoes that are dug, left in the sun, and the skin turns green. Besides being very bitter, eating plant parts containing solanine can lead to headache, abdominal pain, shock, and diarrhea. If you saved the ripe seeds inside the potato fruit, you would not get the same kind of potato as the parent plant. It would take several years to even grow these to a size that you could harvest. The only people saving and planting potato seeds are growers and breeders who are hoping to produce a new variety of potato. So marvel at this rare occurrence. It's just one of those things that happens. Remember, it's not about if, it's about when. We here at SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thank you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.